my investors, home and abroad. My name is Imota Ikorodu, real estate consultant and a financial freedom advocate. Welcome to the legacy garden city Imota Ikorodu. Have you left any legacy for your generation or your children? This is the legacy garden city Imota Ikorodu. If you have not done that, this is the time to do that. With 4.5 million, you acquire an acre. Garden city. This estate has a perfect title, which is registered survey, and it is free from all encumbrances. The land is 100% dry. It is not undulating. This is a table land. This is the latest product in the market on the mainland. Come along with me to see what we have. Yeah. Now we have started the perimeter fencing. You can see workers molding blocks for the perimeter fencing. Come along with me. Let's check what we have. Yes, you can see these are blocks. These are workers molding blocks. And here is the perimeter fencing. The perimeter fencing of this estate is ongoing. This is the legacy, as the name implies. This is the legacy you can leave for your unborn generation. Look at it. Perimeter fencing is ongoing. Like I said earlier on, the title document is perfect, and with 4.5 million can get an acre plus additional plots. And this is a promo period, and the promo will end by 15th of this month. Just 2 weeks, let's say 11 days more to close this promotion. What are you waiting for? Don't allow this fantastic opportunity to elude you. This the time to invest is now. In real estate, we buy and wait and watch your investment appreciate. You can contact me on the number on the screen, or you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dominion Homes and Properties. Call me on the number on the screen for inspection and for further inquiries. Thank you. My name is Imota, real estate consultant. Bye.